The Finley Tower was constructed in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province. Initially, it was transported by sea, taking 4 days to reach Penlai, Shandong Province, arriving at Lunjiakugang. From there, it continued its journey by land to Wanhua Industrial Park. Even though the overland distance was a mere 6 to 8 kilometers, the most significant challenge wasn't the transportation cost or the coordination between vehicles and personnel. The primary concern was figuring out how to safely maneuver an enormous object weighing 26,000 tons through the narrow streets. The challenge wasn't just the cost or the coordination of vehicles and crews, it was about safely navigating such a massive weight through the narrow streets of the downtown area, under the railroad bridges, and so on. Every section of the road presented its own set of challenges. To ensure the successful transport of the heavy gas for the national pool, the carrier began preparations 6 months in advance. This involved rerouting 23 high and low voltage lines. The size of the meter body means the turning radius is quite large, so all obstacles at the 4 turning points, including the bus station, were removed in advance. What's even more surprising is that over 4 acres of land in 400 were also requisitioned. Essentially, any obstacle to its normal operation will be cleared by all means necessary. This is a special piece of equipment developed by our country for oversized transport, known as a self-propelled hydraulic module transporter. Each wheel of this vehicle can support 30 tons and can rotate 360 degrees, regardless of how complex the road conditions are, allowing it to handle any situation with ease. 260 tons are distributed evenly over each tire, each of which weighs just a few tons, preventing the road surface from being crushed. Throughout the entire transport process, the professional team was meticulously organized. They had clearly defined roles, including traffic control, escort protection, and technology emergency. The operation involved multi-lane traffic control on the road ahead of time. Police vehicles were strategically deployed to protect the guards and ensure safety. All parties worked in unison, collaborating closely to ensure a smooth flow and to be ready to respond to any emergencies at any moment. Ultimately, it took a total of 34 hours to transport the separation tower safely to its destination. The next lifting task was equally challenging due to its immense height and weight. The lifting equipment was unprecedented in size, featuring a 5,000-ton gantry liquid crystal tower (GTLT) with a capacity of 1 million tons, a 5,000-ton gantry hydraulic crane, along with a 2,000-ton crawler crane, assisted the team in lifting and delivering the tower with a single main engine. It eventually took more than 20 hours to erect the tower, setting a new world record for the highest drop of the same kind of product. The successful transportation and loading of the separation tower has once again showcased to the world the remarkable power and capability of Chinese manufacturing.